He's good.
I know what it's going to be like operating.
With the cane, can't he?
Problem is, I can't bloody operate anything on these. So there we are, at the plaque for the Kindermas trespass on the 24th of April 1932. Picture. It is a bit, isn't it?
There, calling you.
God, they've heard you coming, they've heard about you.
Look at that though.
I think we need to be on the other side of that wall. Get seriously injured. The fucking size of it, like snowballs. Huh? Gloria. Come on, down. The underpants are fantastic. But you've got walking. Legless. It was just like a kilt. Wouldn't do very much, would they? Oh.
Nice one.
Yeah, exactly. So where?
Yeah, but you'd have been bored out your head in bed.
Yeah, but happy.
For a minute. God, glorious! Glorious!
Just going that way or down there where they are. We might be. No, not. We're going over that way.
Right, we've seen a couple.
Path's over there, isn't it? Bloody hell! You're supposed to cross now? You ready?
Well, there's not much snow, but.
Yeah, right. You alright? Fucking hell. Yeah, I'm waiting for you.
I thought you was where I was going. What was that nice?
Look at that. Ooh, look at that up there. to appreciate life. Oh, the gates are slipping down.
All year round.
Aye. Oh, yeah.